Alright, we doing a starter on an '05 Dodge Charger. First thing you want to do is come to the trunk, disconnect the battery. It's gonna be up under this panel right here. It's gonna be a 13 and a 10. Their battery died, so they had to go take it up there and get a new one. So you missed that part. So you get up under the car. You're gonna go over under the passenger side. You're gonna need 15 and a 13. That's it. That's all. Make sure you jack your car up. Make sure you got a nice little stand under there, just in case that jack fails. Slide up under there. Oh, I'm dragging my hair. And there's a starter right there. Alright, so we're doing a starter. We got 3 15mm bolts. 1, 2, 3. Then you want to go over to the side. It's going to be a 13mm and then a pull-out tab. It's very simple. Just push this tab in. Pull it up. It's easier to do it with 2 hands, but boom, 13mm. After you do that, it'll be loose. You just spin it and get it out of there. Just slide it back to this slot right here. Push it back up there. Send the 3 bolts through. Tighten it up. Take your connection.